Chapter 1. Don't quit. Learning objectives. 1. To understand the theme of the poem, don't quit. 2. To learn to persevere with determination. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is queer with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns, and many a failures turn about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Don't give up though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to a faint and faltering man. Often the struggler have given up when he might have captured the victor's cup, and he learned too late when the night slipped down how close he was to the golden crown. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt, and you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. It's when things seem worst that you mustn't quit. Find meaning. Trudging, walking laboriously. Queer, ascending. Uphill, unusual. Exercise time. A. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the problems that the poet has mentioned in the poem? Answer. The problem that the poet has mentioned in the poem is that failure comes when the people quit. 2. How should you deal with the twists and turns of life? Answer. Every one of us learn that life is not so easy. It has many twists and turns that come as obstacles. Many successful persons have tested failures before touching the height of the sky. Failure is a lesson to teach them. Don't give up. 3. What does the poet mean by rest if you must, but don't you quit? Answer. The line rest if you must, but don't you quit means that we may take rest for a while, but we should not quit. We must be dedicated to achieve the goal. 4. What is the situation when we must not quit and be ready to sail, come what may? Answer. It is a difficult time in life when things are different and do not favor us. You never know just how close you are. It's when things seem worse that you must not quit. B. Find their meaning. 1. Trudging. Walk slowly with heavy steps. 2. Queer. Ascending. 3. Uphill. Unusual. 4. Tint. A shade or variety of color. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. Life is strange with its twists and turns. 2. How close he was to the golden crown. 3. Don't give up though the pace seems slow. 4. Don't quit is truly an exceptionally inspiring poem. D. Take the right options. 1. What is the twist and turns? 1. Route. 2. Life. 3. Things. Answer. 2. Life. 2. What is the tint of the clouds of doubt? 1. Gold. 2. Diamond. 3. Silver. Answer. 3. Silver. 3. What does seem worst? 1. Thing. 2. Crops. 3. Queer. Answer. 1. Thing. 4. What is failure turned inside out? 1. Success. 2. Debts. 3. Smile. Answer. 1. Success. 5. When do you smile? 1. When funds are low. 2. When debts are high. 3. When funds are high. Answer. 1. When funds are low. And 2. When debts are high. E. Match the following. Column A. 1. Success. 2. Fight. 3. To smile. 4. Learned. Column B. A. Focus. B. Be happy. C. hard work. D. Determination. Answer: success. C. Hard work. 2. Fight. Determination. 3. To smile. B. Happy. 4. Learned. A. Focus. Let's enjoy the poem. Don't Quit is truly an exceptionally inspiring poem. It is very well written with simple and lucid words. It provides an extremely powerful message that applies to anyone and everyone. The poem is all about perseverance, tenacity, determination, and willpower to not give up, especially when the things are going wrong and when one seems swimming against the tide. The poem reminds us that there are seeds of success in every failure, and that's why we must not quit. Communication, writing skills. Rewrite the sentences. 1. In the 40s, India gained independence. 2. I spoke to her grandmother, who is in his 80s. 3. The PM's speech was recorded and later filmed. 4. In IPL 16, Virat scored 406 50s. Reading skills. Apostrophe. Do you remember reading about when to use the apostrophe? 1. The apostrophe is sometimes used to show a missing letter. Examples: don't, do not; isn't, is not; you're, you are; mustn't, must not. When we write dates, the apostrophe is used to show a missing letter. Example: it was in the year 99 he stormed to politics and emerged. Here the apostrophe stands in the place of a number 1999, 1899, 1799, etc. 2. Do not use an apostrophe when there is no contraction. Listening and speaking skills. Read these lines and answer the questions that follow. 1. When the funds are low and the debts are high and you want to smile but you have to sigh. A. What do you mean by the debts? B. How does one feel when his debts are high? C. Can someone smile when the debts are high? Do it yourself.